morning, Ben. Here is your daily morning affirmation. You are great. You are an athlete. Lee's new coat is nowhere near as good as yours. You are amazing, and a hunk. Hunky boys for the win. And Lee may not be your real dad, but you are his daddy. Today's goal for the day, drive it like you stole it, and don't let anything fuck up like usual.
So, I apologise if it's dark. You're probably wondering why I'm up so early. I'm absolutely shattered. We've got a big day on, actually. RS3 today is going down to the drag strip with Awesome GTI, Racing Line, Michael Schublacker, still one of the best names in YouTube, that. And we're going to see how it fares and put it up against a few decent cars. Only problem is, it's like 3+ hours away from me. So I've had to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, get showered, dressed, and now I've got to go and fetch Nick, who's our editor. For those who watch our podcast, you'll have seen him on there. He lives in Haydock, so I've got to go from Warrington to Haydock to Awesome GTI to meet up with everybody. And then from there, I genuinely don't know where it is. Wish me luck. Yes, so we have just arrived. You can probably see everyone's cars there. The runway is just there. Racing Line have bought the Golf. We've got the RS3. Got a Golf GTI, both standard and I think there's a race chip Golf GTI. I think it's race chip. The G80 M3, G80 M3. It does have a race chip on it, but you can flick it on and off. So we're going to see how that performs with both. And then there's an S4, don't quite know what's going on with the S4 just yet. We've got to go and get a radio from them because apparently it is a live runway, so planes take off and land quite often. So yeah, let's see how we get on. As long as I beat or get anywhere near, I definitely won't beat the M3, but if I get anywhere near the M3, it'd be interesting to see at what speed it comes past me at, and that's what I'm interested to see. But anyway, enjoy the day.
Right, we're good. So, we don't have a radio, but obviously Mick will let us know if there's planes coming in.
This S4 now has been flashed back to stock. This is a completely standard S4. The only upgrades on this is the intercooler and the intake.
Bit cold, Ben.
Freezing, mate.
You'd think Lee would have some heating in his back garden, wouldn't you?
You'd think so, yeah. We've travelled 150 miles and we've only just left Lee's land. Mr. Schublacker's M3 has just been sent down. This was stock and it's just on a 4.7. It is on a completely unprepped track. Tyres are cold. I mean, I'm sure he'll have other excuses for you, plenty of other excuses. But yeah, 4.7 seconds to 60. I would like to hope that the RS3 would beat that. I mean, surely we should be dipping into the threes at least, shouldn't we? So it's just a case, I think, of when we're up against this car, of when it actually overtakes me, when it catches me up and overtakes me. So it'd be interesting to find out exactly when that would be.
So this now has the race chip on, turned up to full.
Right, Tab, so I'm not interrupting their filming.
Yeah.
Stock was 4.7. What was this one with a race chip on?
So you caught me off guard here. I was just doing it on the way down. Not a huge improvement, not 60, which isn't. Generally on this you'll see the improvement's 100 to 200.
100 to 200. Right, so what you're saying is that 0 to 60 was 4.7?
4.74,
right,
and now that's only gone to 4.68, but we've seen quite a big improvement in the 100 to 200.
That's all I wanted to know. Sorry chaps to get in your way. I was trying to sneak in before you
trying
guys
trying to get the information first,
yeah,
so I got your number.
On here, the surface isn't the best. Great fun that though. It's mad now how this thing slides around and goes sideways. It's not even in RS Torque rear. It's proper mad. You would never ever expect a car or an Audi of any description other than the rear wheel drive R8 obviously, but this just shouldn't go sideways.
Having fun, love.
Oh mate, this is so funny going sideways down there.
What, have you been having a play down there?
Can you not hear the skidding?
No, I was listening to Mark.
Oh good, that's good, because I was expecting Mark to come over and say, hey,
behaviour.
yeah, stop fucking
He's
skidding
not heard
around. So,
how far we got?
I reckon I'll beat
Where's
him
the
up
finish
to
line?
about sort of between 80 and 100 mile an hour. I reckon about up to.
Where's the finish line? Second cone.
Second cone.
Second cone.
But yeah, I'm expecting to come past me at about 100, give or take. We'll see. Oh, we fucked! What, girl? And we bogged as well on that. We bogged. Oh, we need to go again. There was so much grit and stones and all kinds in the middle of this track. Oh my god. But I tell you what, he was not gaining on me. I mean, I don't know if he's running stock or with the race chip or what. I don't really know, but that was way better than I thought it was going to be. Way better. Championes or what? Get in! Round 2, mate. Fingers crossed. To be fair though, I was expecting him to really start to come back, and right towards the end he was, but not by a lot. 3, 2, 1. Come on! I don't know who had that. That's not smart. Woohoo! Full bit of Caparoni! One more time without the passenger.
So, Schublacker against Evil GT. Where's your money on? I know where my money's on, but we may be in for a cheeky surprise.
Come on, girl.
So, are you ready? You ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's got heat in his tyres. He's a lot closer this time. Come on, girl! He's coming! Yes, he got a much better start then. Much better. That hooked up well. I don't know what he came past me at then. I was not concentrating on the speed. But that was class. He got me in the end. Well played.
Lisa, send us straight back.
Who's next up? RS3. You ready? You ready? Let's have it. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, car! I've absolutely smashed him off the line. And I tell you what, I'm fucking dusting him! Yes, car. So the only thing today that's beat us is a race-chipped BMW M3. No idea what horsepower it is, but the 510 brakes stock. So it's got to be a good 550, maybe 560. Yeah, I'll see what he's got to say.
That thing is so fucking fast.
Ridiculous, isn't it? It'll be good once it's tuned, won't it? Alright mate.
Alright.
So we're now going up against Tabby in the 8V because he's having a whinge at the other chaps. I think his name's Matt. There's too many names I've forgotten. But I think Matt's reactions he was having a whinge at, so we're going up against Tabby this time.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
I think we've got him again. We have.
That is so quick off that line.
151, 152, and I'm backing off now. God damn!
I'm actually glad Tabby got beaten actually because I don't need a cocky kid.
He was being dead cocky, you know. He was like, I'll do it faster than you. I was like, yeah, all right.
So, this is what we got left. RS3, standard new RS3, and race tune, M3 competition. 3, 2, 1.
What about that for a cheating launch? He went well early.
Review the tape.
Yeah, that was jumping. I'd say that's fair.
Perfect.
I'm not so sure about that.
We'll take it.
I'm reeling him in, am I? I'm reeling him in! Go on! I'm reeling him in! No way! No fucking way, man. This car is an absolute savage. Absolute yobbo, look at this. Shredded. But we did say
3 days old.
3 days old. Shredded. And to be fair, that's what these are for. We're dicking about doing 0 to 60s and draggies and all that kind of stuff, but these are to mess about and have fun in, which he's definitely done. And yeah, his tyres are ruined now, but that's good because the P0s and everyone knows they're shite, so he can put some 4S's on it now. Job done. So as well, thank you very much to Reese and Katie on Isle of Man. They've been to Awesome GTI and got some work done, I assume, and have given me a Audi Gecko air freshener. These are well expensive, you've seen them, like 12 quid each. Guys, thank you very much, that was really kind of you, very much appreciated, cheers for that.
3 days they've been on.
He's going to do his head
3 days.
3 days worth of tyres.
3 bloody days. Michelin or P0 Pirelli, someone sponsor me please, I need some tyres. Do you know what I mean?
Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Awesome GTI, their channel, and Mr. Michael Schublacker himself, 061's number one.
Hang on, there we go. There we go, son. What does that say?
Yes, mate.
And it's awesome cars, by the way.
Awesome cars, not Awesome GTI.
Awesome cars.
Don't know why they'd have a business called Awesome GTI and then the YouTube channel Awesome
That's
Cars.
Habib. That's Habib all over.
Habib, brilliant. Well played, Habib. Well done, mate.